Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to use temu on DSers. But before we get into that, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to use temu in the first place. Temu is a relatively new e-commerce platform that's quickly gaining popularity. It offers a wide variety of products at very competitive prices. This makes it an attractive option for dropshippers who are looking to source products for their stores. So, how can you use temu on DSers? Well, there are a few different methods. One method is to use the DSers Chrome extension. This extension allows you to import products from temu directly into your DSers account. Simply install the extension, log in to your temu account, and then start browsing products. When you find a product that you want to import, simply click the Add to DSers button. Another method is to import products from temu using the DSers import list. To do this, you'll need to copy the product URL from temu and paste it into the DSers import list. You can then click the Import button to add the product to your DSers account. Once you've imported products from temu, you can start selling them on your store. DSers will automatically handle the order fulfillment for you. This means that you won't have to worry about anything other than marketing your store and making sales. Using temu on DSers can be a great way to source products for your dropshipping store. It's a relatively easy process, and it can save you a lot of time and money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on dropshipping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.